Describing President Donald Trump as India's good friend, a group of Indian Americans have urged the community members across the country to support and vote for the Republican leader in the November 3rd elections. Al Mason, co-chair of the Trump Victory Indian American Finance Committee, on Sunday said the Indian American community has emerged as a force to reckon with for the first time in the history of the US presidential election. Your support will contribute to President Trump's win, he said. This is a historical election where we all have to make a simple choice. Do we want better economy, less taxes and smaller government? Then let's re-elect President Trump. You want to have a good friend for India? First time ever, let's elect President Trump, said eminent Indian businessman Chintu Patel. Trump also needs to be elected to successfully address the challenges posed by China, said the founder of the Amneal Pharmaceuticals at a meet-and-greet event organized for Donald J. Trump Jr., son of the president, and Kimberly Guilfoyle, national chair of the Trump Victory Finance Committee. We could be small in numbers, but we are strong in dollars. So let's unite, make our vote count. We will elect this president. We have to take our country forward, not backward, said Patel. Dr. Raj Bhayani, who has been working among Indian Americans in some of the key battleground states, said it is important for the community that they support and vote for Trump as the president has supported India in the last 4 years, including on the issue of China. Sridhar Chittala, a member of the Indian Voices for Trump, said the policies of President Trump in the last 4 years have been bold, disruptive and transformative. On the issue of China, the president has sent a strong message that he stands with India. We would like to see him re-elected again, he said. Businessman Naveen Shah said Trump has successfully managed the coronavirus. The president has led America towards peace and prosperity and that his achievements in the field of economy is unparalleled. We need to spread the word and help re-elect Trump, he said. Dr. Shobha Chocklingam asserted that Trump has supported India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the issue of Kashmir. President Trump is the one that takes on China the way it should be, she said. I want to thank him for the support he gave to India against China. As a patriotic American, we need to support him very, very strongly, she said.